Welcome to our guide on crypto trading for beginners. Understanding your mistakes is crucial for success. Our first mistake is ignoring research. Every profitable trade begins with understanding the market. Next is FOMO. The fear of missing out can lead to hasty, ill-informed trades. Mistake 3 is overtrading. Remember, sometimes less is more in the trading world. Don't neglect security. Safeguarding your assets should be a top priority for any trader. Having realistic expectations is important. High returns require patience and strategy, not luck. Mistake 6 is skipping risk management. Always protect yourself from potential losses. Relying solely on automated trading bots can be risky. Always stay involved in your trades. Finally, don't overlook regulatory changes. Keeping informed is key to successful trading. To wrap up, learn from these mistakes and start your trading journey wisely. Happy trading in 2025.